Imagine building a skyscraper without a strong foundation, or playing a game where the rules keep changing, or worse, there are no rules. What would happen? Chaos, right? Well, guess what? Values are exactly that foundation, those unshakable rules for our lives and our communities. Welcome once again to Servant Leaders Hub. It's great to have you here, where your go-to place for becoming a values-driven leader who serves, leads, and inspires. Today we're talking about why values are not just nice to have but non-negotiable. Let me tell you about Ella, Sam, and Leo. They were super excited for the annual City Science Fair. Their project was brilliant, a smart waste sorter designed to help their city's waste management. They'd poured hours into it, but the deadline was coming fast and a really tricky part of the programming just wouldn't work. Then Sam found an old code online. It was perfect. It solved their problem instantly. The only catch? It wasn't their original work, and using it without citing it, or worse, passing it off as their own, was against the fair's rules. It was basically cheating. Leo said, "Come on, nobody will know, we're so close, our school needs to win this year." Ella felt that pressure. They could win, get recognition for their school, maybe even a scholarship. But that inner voice, that compass we talked about, was screaming. This wasn't just about winning, this was about something much deeper, integrity. So, why are values like integrity, honesty, fairness, and responsibility so incredibly important, truly non-negotiable? Think about these insights. Number 1. For you, personally. Values give you clear direction. When you know your values, tough choices become easier because you know what aligns with who you are. Number 2. Builds character. Every time you choose to live by your values, you strengthen your character. It's like building mental and emotional muscles. Number 3. Fosters trust and respect. People trust you when they know what you stand for. This builds strong, real relationships, whether with friends, family, or future employers. Number 4. Resilience. When life gets tough, and it will, your values act as an anchor, helping you stay strong and true to yourself. Moreover, for us, as a society, values are foundation of trust. Without shared values like honesty and fairness, how can we trust our leaders, our laws, or even the products we buy? Society would crumble. Values enable cooperation. Values like respect and cooperation make it possible for diverse people to live and work together, building communities, solving big problems, and creating a peaceful society. Values ensure justice and fairness. Societal values push us to treat everyone equally, protect the vulnerable, and ensure everyone gets a fair shot. Values guide our future. In the AI era, values are our ultimate safeguard. We need to embed values like fairness, accountability, and transparency into the AI systems we build. Otherwise, advanced tech could lead to unintended harm, biases, or exploitation. Values make sure technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Values aren't just for good feelings, they're the practical tools that make individual lives meaningful and societies function. Before we continue, good news for all teachers watching. The contents of this channel were developed to serve as a valuable educational resource, particularly for students' self-paced leadership training series, personal development, and values education. This video series is designed to spark meaningful discussions in your classroom. To help you, we've created a discussion guide using an innovative learning approach. Please feel free to reach out to us. Kindly provide your name and home address via email, edcus1080@gmail.com. Going back to the science lab. What did Ella, Sam, and Leo do? Ella looked at the code, then at her friends. She remembered all the hard work they had done honestly. She decided to speak up.
"No," she said. "We can't. It's not fair to the other teams and it's not fair to us. What's the point of winning if it's not truly our work?"
They didn't win first prize that year. Another school did. But Ella, Sam, and Leo walked away with something far more valuable. Their integrity intact. They learned more by struggling through the problem themselves than any stolen code could have taught them, and they could look at each other and themselves with genuine pride and respect. They realized that some things are just not up for negotiation, no matter the perceived shortcut or prize. So, how do you make your values non-negotiable in your own life? It's about conscious choice. Here are some ideas. Number 1. Know your core. Revisit your personal values. Which ones are truly non-negotiable for you? Number 2. Speak up respectfully. When you see something that goes against your core values, whether it's a small unfairness or a bigger issue, find a respectful way to speak up, just like Ella did. Number 3. Choose wisely. In every decision, big or small, what you share online, how you treat a classmate, Whether to take a shortcut, ask yourself, does this align with my non-negotiable values? Number 4, be a role model. Live your values openly. Your actions can inspire others in your family, school, and community to make their values non-negotiable too. In conclusion, living by your non-negotiable values gives you strength, builds trust, and helps create a more just and harmonious world, one choice at a time. So think of a time you stuck to your values, even when it was hard. What was the value, and what happened? Share your story in the comments below. If this video showed you why values are so important, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Servant Leaders Hub for more insights, and share it with someone who needs a little reminder. See you in the next episode. Serve, lead, inspire. Thank you for watching.